What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to bring old photos to life using AI. So the tools we're going to use is hyper.ai. You can go ahead and before you start creating, make sure to sign up or create your account. The process is pretty easy and straightforward. And once you do, you want to go ahead and choose the image to video option, upload my image. And here I have an old image ready to be used of a woman drinking from a cup of tea, a black and white vintage image. It's uploading right now. And as you can see, it's a vintage image of a woman drinking from a cup. So I need to make her drink from the cup. So make in the prompt box here, make her drink from the tea cup and then create. It'll take some time, of course, and once it's done, our video will be ready. As you can see, it's now generating, and it's being generated. Of course, it'll take some time since we are in the queue and we are in the free plan right now. So I'm a free user. You need, of course, if you want faster results, you can upgrade to a paid plan. As you can see, it'll take a lot of time. It's going pretty slow. However, once it's done, you will be able to see your photo or your old photo animated using the power of AI.